One sunny morning in a fruity land lived juicy fruits with dreams so grand. They built wild vehicles from peel and pit. Hop on now, let's go on a fruity trip.
Banana Ben zoomed on a banana bike, curved and yellow, fast as a strike. With two orange wheels spinning round, he raced through fruity hills with a bouncy sound.
Hold tight, my peel is slippery.
Oh, no, this fruit ride is flippity, flickery.
Roll, roll, roll with the fruity crew. Wheels of melon and engines too. Hop in a ride, let's slide and glide in the Fruit Wheels Parade. Come take a ride. Strawberry Sue had a scooter pink with grape handle grips and a smoothie drink. She zipped around with a cherry light, beeping toot toot with fruity delight. Whee! I've got raspberry brakes. Hope your blueberry bell never breaks.
Wally Watermelon drove a wagon wide, made from rind and jam inside. He picked up berries from Fruity Street with pineapple wheels and coconut seed.
Hop aboard, space for more.
Orange Auto.
Let's take the juicy highway tour. Roll, roll, roll with the fruity crew. Spin those peels and zoom on through. Cherry engines, mango doors, fruit mobiles on rainbow floors.
Apple Annie flew in an apple plane with cinnamon wings and a pear prop chain.
She looped through clouds of cotton candy. Her skies were sweet, her tricks were dandy.
Look, I made a lemon loop.
Watch out, you're dropping fruit soup.
Coco the coconut built a chunky car, fueled with fig juice, it could drive so far. The horn went pop like a nutty sound, tossing cashew confetti all around.
My roof's a kiwi, floor is plum. This fruity ride is yum, yum, yum. All the fruits in the fruity land roll together band by band. With trumpet vines and banana drums, they clapped and danced as the fruit train